This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Eureka Specialita grinder here. So this machine was just a little bit clogged with coffee, and I needed to just adjust the grind setting as well. So what I did is just remove both of the burrs, clean the inside of the grinder, clean inside of the chute. I also cleaned this hopper here, and now I'm just going to test the grinder to show you that it works. So here's that coffee. As you can see, it's pretty fine, probably on the finer side of typical espresso grind setting, but I just wanted to show how fine the coffee can get. Alright, thanks for watching.